Today is election day and I am in Washington, D.C. The city has been on high alert for election-related violence and looting, drawing a lesson from this summer when protests erupted across the country following the death of African-American George Floyd. As you can see behind me, the buildings on the streets were all boarded up their doors using plywood, and I am now currently at the Black Lives Matter Plaza. You can hear the loud music and people dancing there. It looks like a party, but actually it's a protest and a demonstration. The Black Lives Matter Plaza is just 1 block away from the White House. Let me see if I can find the view to show you the White House. So if you look carefully through my phone, there it is, the White House over there.
An activist group named Shut Down DC is organizing weeks-long demonstrations here in the Black Lives Matter Plaza starting Tuesday. The event will include a giant screen showing election results. Over 100 million people already voted this year before Election Day, shattering previous records for early voting. Here in Washington, D.C., police advisory signs were put up on light poles along streets near the White House, prohibiting the use of firearms during demonstrations. Washington, D.C. police have limited leave for officers to ensure adequate staff, and the district spent $100,000 on less lethal munitions and chemical irritants for riot control to replenish a stockpile depleted by clashes over the summer. The 2020 U.S. elections come as the country is still reeling from the COVID-19 pandemic, with over 9.3 million cases and more than 230,000 deaths reported as of Tuesday, both the highest in the world. Moreover, many voters are worried by the reality of an increasingly divided nation suffering from bitter partisan fights, violent racial conflicts, and worsening social injustice.